Stephen John Ball, 32, was found guilty of the murder of Suzanne Galvin following a trial at Bolton Crown Court. Miss Galvin, 55, was found with extensive bruising at their home in Bury in September last year. This included patterning to her face consistent with the sole of Ball's trainer's Bolton Crown Court heard. Ball pleaded guilty to manslaughter on the basis of the partial defence of diminished responsibility. He denied murder, but jurors found him guilty following a week-long trial. Shortly before 8 p.m. on September the 16th, 2023, a disturbance was reported by neighbours at a flat on Pear Avenue. Ball was heard shouting, "Thieving B-word," and "Mum, let me in." Calls were made to emergency services. Ball called his grandmother, Mary Galvin, who lives in Ireland. Prosecutor Gordon Cole KC said he had come back to the flat to find she was injured. He said he didn't know if she had been attacked, but said she was struggling to breathe. He told her that her wrist was broken and she had bruising to her eyes and shoulder, and she was laying on the bed. Mary told the defendant that Suzanne needed to go to hospital, but he told his grandmother that Suzanne said she did not want to go to the hospital at that stage and would go in the morning. Mrs. Galvin asked to speak to her daughter and could hear her breathing erratically, jurors were told. She tried to persuade Ball to call an ambulance, but he said he had no credit, so she called 999 herself. Miss Galvin was found unresponsive on a mattress before being taken to Salford Royal Hospital. She died 2 days later. A post-mortem found a blunt force head injury was the cause of her death. Included in the report was a reference to patterned bruising on her face. When Ball was arrested, officers found trainers in his bedroom. The pattern on the sole of the shoes was examined and matched the pattern on his mother's face. This is consistent with stamping on her head or face, Miss Cole told jurors. Ball was arrested before giving conflicting accounts to officers. He was initially charged with assault before being charged with murder following his mother's death. The court heard Ball and his mum had an argumentative and aggressive relationship. They both struggled with addiction. Miss Galvin was seen with facial injuries in the day before her death, jurors heard. Ball of Pear Avenue did not give evidence at his trial. He denied murder, but jurors found him unanimously guilty. He will be sentenced on November the 1st. He was remanded into custody and will be detained at Ashworth Hospital, jurors were told. Paying tribute to her at the time of her death, Suzanne's family said Suzanne was greatly loved by her parents and family and will be sadly missed. As a family, we respectfully ask to be allowed privacy during this difficult time. Please like this video, please comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.